Well, welcome to the car wash. What do you mean? This TRD Pro 4Runner, it's time for a car wash. But the one thing I do different, I don't use the brush on the car. I will use the brush on the windows, but not on the car. Well, this particular car wash cost me what? $6. That's right, $6 to wash the car. I make sure I start with the tires, I rinse off the car, soap it up, use the brush only for the windows. And then I dry it off, and it's quite fun. $5? No, $6 for a car wash. Well, it does not include the vacuum, but at least I get my car nice and wash. Well, of course, I said it again. This is not my car. I'm responsible to take care of the car. So when I'm driving it and when I'm washing it and when I'm putting the gas in it, it's mine. But in reality, it's not. But I love taking care of it, making it shine, cleaning it up, but I only use the brush for the windows because I don't want to scratch the paint. I've already did that. And besides, I have no idea who used this car wash brush before me and what they had on their car. So to keep it simple and to keep it nice, I just rinse down the car really good. I use the brush for the windows and then I rinse it down and I dry it off. And to me, it takes care of the car. I just really want the dust off. The dust, the dirt, just the everyday dirt and dust. So, no scrubbing for me. But if I really want it clean, maybe I will go use a professional. But until then, this is the best way to keep your TRD Pro 4Runner 2024 car clean. Well, thank you for allowing me to share, and thank you for your kindness. And I'll see you next time at the car wash.